and Technology. We are from Electrical Department with NB accreditation A++. This project is made under the guidance of Professor Trupti Mankar sir. We are the team members. First, myself, Trupti Mankar.
My name is Nandini Sakhare. My name is Rinku Lonare. My name is Kanchan Nirwan. My name is Monika Kamble.
I am introduced our project SMART Digital Nameplate. A SMART Digital Nameplate is an advanced technology alternative to traditional nameplates. Used in various professional and personal settings. They can be customized in real time, offering a modern and flexible way to showcase names, designations, and or other relevant details.
We are using components are LCD display 7-inch and keyboard, cooling fan and Raspberry Pi 0 and USB drive.
I am explain the circuit diagram of Smart Digital Nameplate. Raspberry Pi Pico is connected with the LCD display. Externally, pen drive is connected on a USB hub for the connectivity of the wireless keyboard.
In this project, we are using a Raspberry Pi 0 with a 7-inch LCD to display the information of a person, including their name and designation. The system reads data from a text file stored on a USB drive. When the user presses U key on the keyboard, the script fetches and the latest data from the USB file and updates the display. To change the name on the display, we can change the name from a text file on the USB drive. After saving the data to a USB drive, to change the information on the display, connect the USB drive to the system and press the U key on the keyboard. The name will be continued to show on the display even after removing the USB drive from the system.
The advantages of the Smart Digital Nameplates provides a lots of benefits in terms of flexibility, less power consumption, high frequency and rate, and LCD display can run for up to a year without shutting down the system.
The Smart Digital Nameplate is a modern, energy efficient and customizable solution for dynamic name display various professional settings.